Hello, and welcome to Anastasia Tarot and Vedic Astrology. I'm Anastasia, and up today we'll have a look at the February 2025 forecast for Gemini. This forecast goes from January 28th new moon to the February 27th new moon. This forecast is based on your Sidereal Vedic chart. If you're used to Western astrology, I encourage you to give Vedic a try. It's astronomically accurate, so I find it gives better predictions based on the true positions of the planets. If you don't have your sidereal chart, you can use a free app like Time Nomad and simply change the setting to sidereal to see your sidereal chart, or you can visit my website and request a free PDF of your Vedic chart. As always, this is a general collective reading. The energies described will manifest in unique ways depending on your own personal chart. Please visit my website if you'd like to get a personal reading. Otherwise, take what resonates for you and leave the rest. Now let's get into it. This reading is for Gemini rising, Gemini moon, and Gemini sun. Gemini, warrior planet Mars is in Gemini the whole month of February. It's retrograde until February 24th. Having this retrograde Mars in your sign may bring up anger issues from the past or repeating emotional conflicts. They may be with a Cancer person in your life since Mars retrograded from Cancer back into Gemini, or it just might be a more general type of feeling from having Mars in your sign and having a retrograde Mars in your sign. The retrograde energy offers cosmic support to help surface and clear past or recurring conflicts. You'll also get planetary support from Exalted Venus this month, which can help heal relationship and emotions, and especially if you're working with some past recurring patterns, anything like that in your life, you do have support this month to surface these things and deal with them and hopefully clear the energy and resolve them. 2025 is a Mars year numerologically. It relates to the number 9. So this adds another layer of subtle planetary support for clearing and completing recurring energies that may have to do with anger or conflict. 9 is a number of completion. You may find this is a good time to get to the root of these emotional patterns and heal them completely. Ayurvedically speaking, Mars is a Pitta planet. It's a fiery planet. Depending on your chart, you may experience recurring health issues with inflammation. If this is the case, support your health with a Pitta-reducing diet and lifestyle. Your ruling planet Mercury is Combust, so this is another reason to take care of your health this month. More about that in a minute. Ketu, the south node, continues to occupy your 4th house of home and vehicles. Mars in Gemini aspects, it throws its drishti on Ketu in Virgo. So you might experience disruptions in your home life or with your vehicles. With Jupiter continuing to occupy Taurus, which is your 12th house of expenses, you may have higher than normal expenses or unexpected expenses, and these may have to do with home or vehicles, home repair, things of that nature. Rahu, the north node, continues in Pisces, your 10th house of career and public reputation. Your career continues to get a boost from Rahu. Rahu intensifies whatever sign and planets it's around. So even if you've had some unexpected expenses during this time, you may find that Rahu helps out with an income boost related to your career, because Rahu is kind of supercharging your career energies while it's in Pisces, your 10th house. As Rahu is a disruptor, be cautious concerning your public reputation. Avoid controversy, whether it's online or in person, family, social network, whatever. If you find you're in a controversy, make peace and get out of it as gracefully as possible. Exalted Venus, we have an exalted Venus this month, and that's going to offer support for that. And now Venus, the planet of love and beauty. It's going to join Rahu and enter its exaltation sign of Pisces today, January 28th. If you're looking for a love connection, exalted Venus conjunct Rahu can give opportunities for romance and your social life. Again, this will depend on your personal chart, but this exalted Venus in the 10th house with Rahu can really boost your romantic and your social opportunities. Generally speaking, this exalted Venus in Pisces supports your career because it is in that 10th house of career and public reputation. And this is especially for creatives, artists, beauty, fashion, and similar types of work. All these types of work that relate to Venus. Rahu and Venus together in Pisces can support Geminis who work in interpersonal careers, such as spiritual coaching or relationship counseling. So all of these types of careers get a little extra boost from having Venus conjunct Rahu in your house of career. Now the Sun has been in Capricorn, which is your 8th house. And in the beginning of the month, it will continue in Capricorn. But then around February 13th, again, depending on where you are in the world, all timings given here are for California time in the United States. February 13th, Sun passes from Capricorn into Aquarius. And Aquarius is a lucky house for Gemini. It's the 9th house. Aquarius is the 9th sign from Gemini, the 9th house from Gemini. So you can expect a subtle energetic lift as the Sun goes into your lucky 9th house. Mercury is your Lagna Lord. It's your ruling planet. And it is combust this whole month of February. So Ayurvedically, combust planets can cause burnout, fatigue. So it's important to get your rest and relaxation in February. Even if things are picking up in your career and social life, balance this with rest and downtime. Mercury passes from Capricorn into Aquarius on February 12th. So by mid-February, you're going to have 3 planets. Mercury, Sun, and Saturn are all in Aquarius, which is a lucky house for you. And the 9th house supports philosophy, guru, education, spirituality, all these areas of life. So having Mercury, Sun, and Saturn all in Aquarius in your lucky 9th house gives a subtle support for your spiritual life. It's a good time to meditate, to connect with the divine, and to do whatever spiritual practices you enjoy, and generally follow your spiritual path or learn about spirituality. And that's your February 2025 forecast for Gemini. This is a new channel, so please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and help it grow. Thank you for watching. Namaste.